Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing the official primal loadout only challenge. And today, that's why I have this primal skin on. And probably this, I think this is the only primal skin I have. So guys, I'll see you guys when we're in the lobby. So guys, if you don't know what the primal loot is, it is when you can only pick up primal weapons. Well, you can pick up, and you can only, you can't use medkits or, anything like that. You can only, but you can, you could eat fish, like, food, fish, food, and I'll allow minis. I'm only allowing minis. That's the only thing I'm allowing. This person has the same skin as me. And guys, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want to see another video, a part 3 of the primal loadout. Oh, and also turn on notifications if you haven't already. Yeah. So probably the best place to land is over at Caddy Corner. That's where all the food is. That's where a lot of the food is. And we could eat food. I'm gonna take some food from there. Yeah. Landing. I'm gonna take a lot of food. I really need food. And there's two people landing here with me. No, 3. I'm gonna land at Big Shot. Or is that Big Shot? They're both named Big Shot. There's so many pumps everywhere. Apple. I'm gonna take coconut. Pepper. Wait, I'm gonna get rid of the bananas. Okay. Why am I whispering? They can't hear me. Oh, come on. I need to find it. Don't see me. They didn't see me. Luckily they didn't see me. Run, yes. They said they got rid of a lot of makeshift weapons, but there's literally makeshift stuff. going down. I have exactly no. That person's. How did that guy not see me? Guys. Oh yes, a primal weapon! Let's go! If you heard my mom ask me if I want pizza, that she just asked me. And you guys, I know you guys know my, yeah, wow. After a little bit, we're finding, I need shield, definitely. Get that. I need gold. I need, hold on guys. Yeah, Mom? I'm in a video.
Just yes or no?
Guys, that was just my mom. Now I think I have enough supplies to go kill that man over there. Maybe I should eat some coconuts. No, one more. I got one coconut left. I think that guy already left. No. That's 30. God. Oh my gosh. Come on. I refuse to pick it up. I will not pick it. Okay, I'm not picking it. I'm gonna build the monster truck. We got the monster truck. Monster truck. Oh, 30 at full. I'm out. See you guys. Woo! See you later, Catty Corner. Probably not. In Catty Corner, the in the storm. Come out. I'm a monster truck. Gangsta. That guy has a little miniature car, and I got this big boy car. It's not no Lambo, but it's a monster truck fan boat, and it doesn't lose fuel that quickly. It could jump over a bunch of fences without breaking them. What am I doing? I'm out. Is it, guys? To not get into the storm, like and subscribe to give us good luck. Well, to give my channel good luck. And also Team Neighbor. Well, now I can do the same thing, just not just to survive the storm. I guess you guys actually did, because I made it out. No! me and Ronan, you know how we never finished the race? We're probably gonna do a part 2 in it. And also, we might get the win, guys. It'd be my second win of the season. Well, not second. It'd be the first win on the channel. Okay, guys. Cranking 90. This is a very good primal place because I think the guy's person's here. Oh, wait! There's a gas station here. A bony bird. I think I know why it's called bony bird because it's a primal place. This is the primal challenge. Spraying, I'm peeing on the car. Peeing on the car. Pee gives it fuel, so whoa, snap. Oh my. And there's no ramming. My car honestly might break. Just saying. Monster truck, you served me well. And well is good, but sadly you're not going to survive because I'm a terrible driver. And people shoot my car. Yes, more bone stuff. I need this bone stuff. Oh, I'm out. Wait, a campfire. Let's go now. I can fuel my car. Level 16. I see a guy. I'm wasting all my wood for this car. You look at him. This car is beautiful. Beautiful it is. Wasting all my mess on it. Okay, come on, cop. For real. Oh shoot, I don't know. Shoot, don't see me back Ah! 13 points left. No! This car's gonna get blown up. For a second I thought that's the guy from the start, but I killed them. No! Yes! 9 HP! They have a med kit what I can't use. I'm so happy for them that they could use the med kit. Anyone could pick that med kit up, but not me. I know my car is dead. What?